Speak 1 AI voice agent. 48 hours to build. $3,000 a month in retainers. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash here's what nobody tells you about this stack, including the part that almost broke my first client deployment. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash Retell AI answers the calls. n8n handles everything after. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash together they run at 85% margins on a sub $300 monthly stack. B-roll, break time equals in quote 300 ms in quote slash Retell AI dashboard with live call transcript scrolling. Retell connects to a Twilio number, $1 a month. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash under 800 milliseconds latency. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash I ran test calls for 2 weeks and callers had no idea. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash it books appointments live through Calendly or Google Calendar. B-roll, break time equals in quote 300 ms in quote slash n8n workflow canvas with webhook nodes firing in sequence. Every call fires a webhook to n8n, full transcript, caller name, call outcome. n8n creates CRM entries, sends follow-up SMS, alerts the team. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash zero manual work after setup. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash built something with n8n before? Drop it below. B-roll, break time equals in quote 300 ms in quote slash animated cost breakdown versus client retainer graphic. Your cost, break time equals in quote 300 ms in quote slash 7 cents per minute on Retell, plus $24 a month for n8n cloud. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash total. Break time equals in quote 300 ms in quote slash $80 to $300. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash you charge clients $1,500 to $5,000. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash margin. Break time equals in quote 300 ms in quote slash 85 to 95%. B-roll, break time equals in quote 300 ms in quote slash latency benchmark bar chart animating left to right. Boppy runs 1,100 milliseconds, Retell hits 800. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash 11 labs sounds better but costs more and runs slower. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash bland AI wins for outbound campaigns. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash for inbound agency work, Retell wins. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash Retell or Boppy, drop your pick in the comments. B-roll, break time equals in quote 300 ms in quote slash calendar filling with confirmed bookings. Score, break time equals in quote 300 ms in quote slash 8.5 out of 10. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash build takes 48 hours, that part is real. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash landing your first client takes 2 to 6 weeks. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash that's where most beginners quit. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash not the tech. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash one flag. Break time equals in quote 300 ms in quote slash verify Retell's HIPAA compliance before selling to healthcare. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash otherwise highest margin beginner AI play right now. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash link in the description. Break time equals in quote 600 ms in quote slash subscribe for daily AI tool reviews /speak.